Look out, Sophie. I'm filming.
Welcome back, everybody. This is your Canadian Silver Saver here, and I'm doing a special video for our good friend Dean Lorman from Tomoko's Enterprise. I am still around. I've got lots to come in the future. I am just doing a little rebuilding of my life here, but I'm not dead. I am doing well and staying healthy in these tough times. But our good friend Dean needed me to do this for him and get it all sorted out. So let's get to it here. Let's take it. This is a few things that I have of Dean's. Some tigers and his pyramids and his logo bars and wings and his peanuts and his little animals that he does, which are great, and just such a wonderful guy. And he's doing his giveaway here. He's reached that milestone there, and he's at 1,500 subscribers and climbing. And really just such a great guy, and wants to do something great for the community that has supported him. And I agree myself, and just so many people out there where we stick together, we look after each other, and Uncle Dean's going to do that for us today. So it is time for the draw. I'm doing it in a really simple way here. I've got my computer on. I'm going to show you the people that have entered. We have 100 entries that were able to come in and be part of the draw. If you put your name in and you didn't qualify on the list, it's because you didn't join by February 1st. Anybody after that, you'll have to be in Dean's next draw, which he's going to do at 2,000 subscribers. So don't worry, stick with it, watch his videos. That's why we're here anyways, and he'll throw another freebie out there for his supporters and everybody that loves his channel and his stuff. He makes some wonderful pours. He does. He has a real passion for it and has a heart for what he does. And everybody loves his little tiny tigers. I think he has over 900 of these out there now, so that's pretty fantastic. These little guys. So he's doing his giveaway. It's for that bar that we showed in the other video. This video you'll see on the time stamp on the screen has been filmed on April 14th, late in the evening, to try and get all the people I could get in for the giveaway. But I wanted to stick to the rules that we put out in the previous video. But this will release a couple days after while I have to get it edited and put up on his channel. So if you see anything here you like or anything that sparks your interest, give me a shout at CanadianSilverSaver.com. My website's there, my email's there, or you can contact Dean at his email address, and that'll be down in the description below there of the video. But you can shoot him a message and we'll sort it out if you're looking for anything or you're looking to have something custom made. Great guy for that as well. So let's get to the video here. We're just going to kind of pan over, so bear with me here as I try my best to not make it too jumpy. There we go. So what I like about this, this is something that I do for another format. And this is, funnily enough, the first video in my new home. I have moved, and there is a lot behind that. But that is not now is not the time or place for this. That'll be for a future video when I come back on my channel. So you can see the time here. We're at 11:36 p.m. April 14th, which is when we said we'd do the draw. This is way late in the evening when I'm filming this, and that way all the people that made comments and saying they wanted in were able to get in on this video and have no problems at all. All right, so we are going to go with, see the list here, there's 100 on this list. 1 to 100 on that list there. And then we'll go here and show you these are the people that have qualified. I will zoom in here with a little edit. But let's see if I can zoom in. There you go. So there we go. And you'll see number 1 to the bottom there, and then you can scroll if you want to pause the video. You can see who else is on that list there. And then the next group. And these are randomly entered into this list too. See there. And then the 100 there, Captain Jerk at the end there. So these were put in just kind of randomly, a little bit based on when the comments came in, but not exactly. So there's really no rhyme or reason to these, your name beside the number. So that's pretty random. And then your number will coincide with the number that's drawn. And what I'm going to do is on random, there's the 100 again. In a couple minutes here, I'll announce the time, and that way it's all with the video. So I'll randomize it here. We're gonna do 3 spins on here. So 1, 2, and the third one, it'll be the top spot for that one. And if that person doesn't claim number 2 on that will be the kind of fallback person for the for the winner. So you can see it's 11:39. So what I'm going to say is let's do a draw at, I'm going to pull back there. Let's do a draw at 11:40. So we've got less than a minute. We'll do the 3 spins at 11:40. I've called that time. You've seen, the video, what's going on. That's what we're going to do is we'll do the 3 spins. Whatever happens then happens. And it's a free draw. So, this is all in good fun anyways. We're not doing anything, but Dean wants to share his wonderful products out there with somebody, and I think that'll be great. But yeah, head over to his channel, of course, through his channel and watch his videos. There's lots of great videos there from the past that are fun to see, some of his sandcast pours and that. So always remember to go back and check out some of the older videos if you're new to the channel. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, so there we go. We're going to go over here. We're going to hit randomize, and we're going to randomize 3 times. So there's spin number 1. Take a minute here. There we go. So we'll scroll down, and then just a big list. Bear with me. And then we hit again. Ba-boom. And that's 2 spins. All right, so this is the winning spin. Whoever's at the top is our winner. And we hit again. Boom. And 55 is our winner. So number 55 has won. 85 are the backup if 55 doesn't get in touch with us. So we'll see in here. Let's just see who 55 was. And Kendall Kidd, you are the winner of the giveaway here today. So that's fantastic. Big congratulations to Kendall Kidd. I'm a little rusty. I haven't done videos in a while, so my enunciation needs to be worked on. But Kendall Kidd here, there we go. Big congratulations to yourself. And then 85, if Kendall doesn't get in touch with us, is Mike GPO. And Mike GPO is a good friend. We go way back. I haven't been in touch in a while in my little hiatus, but fellow Canadian boy there, so that's awesome too. Well, big congratulations. Thanks, everybody, for checking this out. Dean is a wonderful guy. Put comments down below. Let him know, what you think of his stuff and his channel. He loves to hear it. He loves to know what you think and loves to converse with everybody, and just really a great guy. If you are into my channel and what I support, between him and Beaver Bullion and lots of our friends out there, I still have lots of videos on that channel, over 300 of them. Go check them out, Canadian Silver Saver, and shoot me a message. I'd love to hear from some old friends out there now that I'm starting to get back in touch with the world, and this is kind of my little kick in the ass, so to speak, to get me going out there. So it's great. It's fun to do, and I look forward to talking to everybody again soon. So hope you enjoyed the video with what I'm doing here. It's going to be a lot of fun to see what Dean has to offer moving forward and what he's going to do. And as long as he stays healthy, as we all do, I think everybody, I just want to, we're all trying to take care of each other and our families. And I really do hope when this is all said and done that we start to take care of each other a little bit more. And, maybe just appreciate the fact that we get to be around each other so freely once we get that back. So, and shoot a big thank you to Dean. He'll really appreciate that. It was great to do this video. Everybody take care of yourself, stay healthy, and Dean and I will talk to you soon.